Hi guys, welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie and welcome back to my 52 weeks project. Now if you're new to this project, every month I take a little minute and I go through my preparation for the entire month. So now I'm getting ready for the month of May and I am going to be bringing in this beautiful stamp set right here. It's got great sayings as always, and I did create 4 new sketches for this month. And you can see that these ones here are going to fit really nicely on the center of your book. Now, for the month of May, in case you didn't think I was keeping track, so for the month of May, we actually have 5 weeks to document, and we only have 4 sketches. Not a big deal. That happened in March, and we were able to power through. So this is what we have to refer back to. Now, you know it's getting serious when it's in a binder, right? But I've got some sketches from the month of January, and then here I've got February, I've got March, and we just completed April. So I'm going to keep on making these little sketches, hopefully, for the entire year, and we are going to scrapbook together. Now, the concept is simple. Take some pictures and pick your favorite photo of the week, use your scraps, and let's create really pretty pages together. So we're moving right along. So as you can see, we've completed 4 months. We're almost at the halfway mark. And for this month here, I'm bringing in this beautiful paper collection. Now, I've been playing with this collection. I did create a few other workshops. They're a little bit more intense than this book. This book here is meant to document as we go, but I have leftovers and I definitely wanted to use it. So I've got a few good stickers here, and this paper collection has this really nice foil, and it's gold, rose gold. It's so pretty. This page here, you know what, I think I purposely left it out because can you imagine when you cut this into a 6x8? Like, this is going to make really pretty pages for our book. I'm also going to bring back these 2 older stamp sets. So as always, try and find a nice background stamp. This stamp here, I've been using it throughout the book, and I use it as a background when maybe I don't have pattern paper. I also am using this older stamp set, Strokes of an Artist, because I just really like it. So I want you to bring out the stuff you like to play with and mix it in with a few new things, like this stamp set here for the month of May. And let's continue on this journey. We are going to start this week with these 4 sketches right here. And I start my week on Sunday. So I run from Sunday to Saturday, and that's how I'm documenting this little story, or our year-long story. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I really hope you're enjoying this project. Catch you in the next video. If you'd like to see the entire project, click this link right here. Thanks for watching.